Hi guys, today I will show you how to change download location in Opera GX. First, open Opera GX and go to Settings. You can go to Settings either through the left sidebar here, or if you don't have it, go to the top right corner to these three lines, push them, go to the very bottom, and go to Full Browser Settings option. Here scroll to the very bottom to Advanced and press them. Here scroll nearly to the very bottom until you see the options Download. Here it is. So as you can see, you have a few choices that you can make. Firstly, you can ask where to save each file before downloading. You can toggle this on and off, or you can change the folder where all downloads will go. So you can choose whatever folder here it is, or just leave it as it has initially decided. So that's how you change it. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, please tell me in the comments below. Thank you very much and have a good day.